Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. A very bullish update, because we have been very bullish since yesterday, which is great. I mean, in general, we seemed to have grabbed the liquidity to the upside first, and there still is, and that's also what we looked at very often, or very much yesterday. Excuse me. Wow. There is still a ton of liquidity to the downside, but right now, purely technically, we are actually bullish. All right, and we hit two important POCs, point of controls. Those are the yellow dashed lines. In general, strong resistance, and you can also see the upper one is around the monthly open or the monthly close. I think is around here. So that's a very strong resistance level, right? What we have seen a lot in the past couple of last couple of months is that monthly open level, which I'm not completely sure when that actually is. I mean, we can check it out here, of course, or the monthly close. I'm not sure what it was again. No, so the monthly open is around 63,300. Historically, that has always been, at least in the last couple of months, a very important pivot point. All right, so it's going to be very crucial to see whether we can actually break above that, or whether that's going to turn into resistance. And based on that, we can kind of expect what's going on. But right now, if you purely take a look at this, what I always said in the last couple of videos and in the last week is that if we actually want to get bullish again, we'd need to break above 62,500, 62,400, and we've been able to do that with momentum, which is something I do worry about slightly, but we'll talk about that later. And the volume is also still relatively low, right? So this is a breakout, and technically this is bullish. And if you look at the fundamentals here, which I surely want to do because that's important. If you look at the fundamentals, it looks like the dollar strength index, at least for now, is finding resistance. So that's bullish. Bond yields are down, which is also bullish. Russell 2000 is down as well. Opened slightly more bullish. But this is actually bearish, right? Because Russell 2000 is, when you look at all the asset indices, this is most correlated to Bitcoin, or at least it's most similar to Bitcoin. So this being down is not the best, and the pre-market is also down a bit, including Nasdaq. But all of this, like if you take a look at the dollar strength index, I would be surprised if this is going to continue. The trend for the S&P 500, for the Nasdaq, is still up. And you could also see this as something bullish, that even though the asset markets are actually dropping down, Bitcoin is being bullish here. The one thing I would be careful for is some sort of potential flush. All right, the leverage is very high, and this move up is very much a leveraged move. You can see the open interest jumped up very much yesterday afternoon, and earlier this morning in the Asian session. So technically, I am bullish, and I think it's most likely we will be able to consolidate here and potentially even get up towards this next resistance level between 64,500 and 65,000. And I think there will be opportunities on altcoins again, like you see right now with Sei, Rune, Sui, etc. But I do think you still need to be cautious. This is a move on Sunday to Monday can reverse. This week we have some major news, which is also going to be relevant for the dollar strength index. There is still that potential of some sort of escalation in the Middle East. So the main level to look at is still 62,500, 62,400. Since we have broken above that, and we're also getting some other bullish indications, I would say we are bullish, and it's most likely we'll consolidate here and we'll make higher highs. But I do say that with a bit of a cautious tone, all right? So I'll be back later today with a middle of the day market update, of course, but at least for now, that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos. Take care and bye.